Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. First of all, you can open the Binance app and here you can go to the wallets icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after this, you can see the one more option that is withdraw. In my case, you cannot see the option withdraw in my screen because my account is not verified and the insufficient balance in my Binance account. And after this, you can just simply go to the Phantom wallet and copy the Solana deposit address, and here I am using the option deposit now because this is a similar option of withdraw. Withdraw is using for cash withdrawal and deposit is using for cash enter. So I can use deposit now and you can tap on withdraw. You can search coins, you can search Solana, and after searching the Solana you can just simply choose network here Solana, and after this you can paste the deposit address in the deposit address section, and after this you can follow the prompts to send Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.